Kachastas High Secondary School, Jowai, Convocation Skul ki bakhampakman ki badan hapo nong ba Jowai. Hagani kasi ki pradap kan ka school kala Pynlong ya ka convocation ceremony nakam tak hena school ki bala pass ya ka matriculation bakam juru ki bala pendap ya ka high secondary examination jongsnam ajar saw. Hagani kasi ka long kasi ka bapu ka bakamen nakam tak ka school bakam juru nam tak ki samla pule ki bala pass ba hagani ke exam. Wala ra ka school kam simla po ya ka top list lani ka top 20 lani ka top 10 ray. Pedang jong ki kenapa kita yo letter mark ki lai sau tlik subject kam tam ne ki tu bila exam ya ka exam SSLC kan ga school kala pemiru shibun ki keluar haki liang ke baper kan top ya ki doctor specialist ki engineer ki architect ki nurse par kum juru ki babon ki pat ki liang ki bla shakri ya ka imlang ka salang hakan ka convocation function la samru ya ki certificate of achievement par ajeng kran do ba SB latu ubrang o president jogan school kini kai bar ki principal ke laban ai ke jeng penslur ki khna bar kan turu iki bagina ki chaprang la bagina tristam nakam tak ki kadan ki khamsane
you are entering into the next level of time, and that time may be 2-3 years, okay, and within this span of time you use your own potential, you use all your effort to take advantage of time. Mark my word, failure is far away from you. And not only failure, if you go with time, then you will reap the most unusual, unexpected things in your life, which you will surprise. Wow, how can I do amazingly while I study? Because you take advantage of the time. Now, see, time God has given us free. You don't need to buy time. Time we don't need to buy it. Times come to us freely. And some of you see, those people who cannot proceed ahead, who cannot reach the climax in this river of time, some of them they sleep, some of them they just play around with time, some of them is in their own daydream. But time will tell you, will say, hello sir, hello madam, hello miss, I have my own time, I cannot wait for you. So if you make use of your time to the maximum, then it will be done.
Kting wa kan ot ke sur ka kting tong ke sur ka doi tarawa Kting wa kan ot ke sur ka kting tong ke sur ka doi tarawa Kiriam ki bai wo cha tra this way is one wo ka pali ki wa yo chong kun yo chong kya se ta per thai wo te pe ki de ge na ka kam ka story ti na hum sa ye ka story ti ta cha ka ku ni je yang ki da ki se ta per thai wo te pe ki de ge na ba ka kam ka story ti se ta per thai wo te pe ki Never made a cut, come got a story.